What is up, you guys? Today I decided to run this bot and I wanted to share it with you guys because the results were pretty freaking amazing. We made 695. The account was a little bit in drawdown before and it's a 10k account, so the profit target is 800, so it still needs like 230 bucks to go. Now guys, before you run a bot with a prop firm, you gotta make sure that it's allowed, and it's always good to ask the customer support if your trading bot is allowed. And True Forex Funds is one of the few that it pretty much allows everything. Even high frequency trading and martingale strategy is acceptable. As you guys can see, there's just a few things like arbitrage and stuff like that that is not allowed, but pretty much everything is allowed on True Forex Funds. So that is why I decided to do it on this platform, and with the 10k cost me 89 euros, and I actually took the euro account, so everything is in euros. Yeah guys, today was an amazing day. It was a news day, so it's actually not the best day to run a bot. Actually, I will do a quick tutorial now for those wondering how you can add a bot into MetaTrader 4. Most bots run on MetaTrader 4, and also a lot of people were wondering what this bot does. I got that all running on a Windows PC, so I'll show you that quickly. And here we can see the bot working. I'm gonna open the screen a little bit bigger so you guys can see, but as you guys can see, it scales up positions, it increases the lot size. So this is a martingale strategy. You see that it's also creating an automatic take profit right there. One thing to keep in mind, guys, is that you need to have MetaTrader 4 running all the time. So the bot is only putting in trades and running while you have MetaTrader open. You need to have the pairs open on which you trade. And I'm using sometimes the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame for this bot, but there's different kinds of bots, different kinds of time frames you need to run. Some do a little bit higher time frames, some do lower time frame. So you really need to figure out what kind of bot do you have, right? And what kind of time frame it runs. There's also some settings for this bot, for example, that you can change the lot size per position, but all of these things will go over in another video. Right now, I'll show you guys on how to add an EA to MetaTrader 4. So you go over here, you go to the files, you go over here to MetaTrader 4, MQL4, then over there to expert advisors. And here you see the existing expert advisors that we have. So what we need to do is we need to copy an EA into this folder. So here I have all my EAs in this folder. As you can see, it's quite many. And right now I'm just going to pick out a random one for this tutorial's sake. So all you got to do is copy and paste it over there. I have it in the folder, and then refresh your expert advisors, so your EAs, and then you should have it. It's as simple as that. Now to activate it, all you got to do is drag it onto the chart and it should be working. And it usually comes up with some kind of settings, and then you need to configure those settings, and then it should be up and running. If there's any questions, I'll go in more in depth in the next video that you understood how to add an expert advisor at least to MetaTrader 4. Anyway, I hope that explains it, and I will update you guys on this account and the bot in the next videos. Let's see if I can pass this challenge tomorrow, maybe the next phase next week. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.